Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 19, we examine correspondence analysis. This method compresses thousands of keywords into a two-dimensional map, so the conceptual structure of a field can be read as distance between points. Let us begin by opening the Factorial CA menu. The correspondence analysis page is now open. Picture a giant table with documents down one side and keywords across the other. That table is far too large for anyone to read. Correspondence analysis compresses it into just two main axes. Those two axes are chosen because they explain the most variation in the data. As a result, keywords that often appear together end up close to each other on the map. Look at the percentages shown at the top. Those figures are called inertia, the share of the data variation that each dimension manages to explain. The first dimension always explains the largest share, followed by the second. If the two together are still low, the map only captures part of the structure in the data. So, a two-dimensional map as a simplification, not as the whole picture. Now, let us read the map itself. Points that cluster together mark a single conceptual group. A point far from the center marks a very distinctive term that is rarely used alongside others. A point near the center is usually a general term that almost every article uses. The terms out at the edges are often the interesting ones because they mark niches that few researchers have worked on. With that, we have walked through everything in the Factorial CA module. You can now read the conceptual map of your field of study. In the next module, we examine the historiography. See you there.